Hello, pakita ko sa inyo yung miracle fruit dito sa labas ng bahay namin. Yan yung bahay namin. So, dito yung labas. So, I'll show you guys. So, there you go. Ito yung calabash. Tingnan mo. And there, that is the miracle fruit. And we have also here, there. Yan. Natubo siya. Yan. And tsaka yan. Tsaka yan. There you go. Ang laki. Ang daming bunga. And we have there. It's very big. And we have lemon over there. Oh my gosh. Tingnan mo yung lemon. Yan. And we have the this one is the what's this? Mommy, ano na ulit ito? Dragon fruit. Yeah, this is the dragon fruit. And we have also dragon fruit over there. And we have also ito yung mga ito, pagkain din ito. Gulay-gulay. And we have calamansi here. There you go. And that one calabash. Yung big calabash. So, malaki. There you go. So, yan. And we have